يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'du fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. I welcome you to this episode of Tazkira tul Hadith, episode number 1. Today's topic is a hadith of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The title is Take Advantage of 5 Before 5. This hadith is in several books of ahadith. I will mention a couple of references. The first is Mustadrak al-Hakim and the second one is Shu'ab al-Iman of Imam Bihaqi. An Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم اغتنم خمسا قبل خمس شبابك قبل حرمك وصحتك قبل سقمك وغناك قبل فقرك وفراغك قبل شغلك وحياتك قبل موتك. Narrated Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, take advantage of 5 matters before 5 other matters. Your youth before you become old, and your health before you fall sick, and your richness before you become poor, and your free time before you become busy, and your life before your death. Now in this hadith, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has mentioned 5 things and clearly mentioned that we should all take advantage of 5 things before another 5 things happen. Very important message. And one of the things Prophet ﷺ used to do is to use very few words, and the message was always immense, as in this hadith. So the first point he ﷺ mentioned is take advantage of your youth before your old age. Now youth is a time that lays the foundation for an individual. If a person grows up in an environment which is religious, he learns about his religion, he learns about his creator. In a hadith, it's mentioned that on the day of resurrection, 7 people will be under the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And one of those is a young person who grows up fearing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and worshipping his creator. So Prophet ﷺ has mentioned in this hadith that it is very important for us to take advantage of our youth while we are energetic and we can do a lot of things. And when we are old, we cannot do a lot of things. We lose energy both physically and mentally, and we are limited in what we can do. Scholars explain that youth in Islam is the age of 40 years old. We are fortunate to be blessed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There are lots of blessings. If you look around us, we find blessings after blessing. One of the blessing is good health. So Prophet ﷺ mentioned that we should all take advantage of our health before we fall sick. For a healthy person, both mentally and physically, we can do a lot of things. We can make an effort, we can teach others, as compared to a person who is not healthy. Now we have seen that people, because of their health issues, they cannot stand in the prayer, they sit while praying. So health is something which is a blessing. The next point Prophet ﷺ mentioned is richness before one becomes poor. Now if a person is rich, got sustenance, can do a lot of things. So it is very important for individual to spend from what is given to them. Whatever we spend, we are spending from whatever is given to us. So if someone is rich, that person should try his best, his or her best, to spend from that. If we become poor, of course, we'll not have that sustenance, we'll not have that luxury to spend from that. The next point Prophet ﷺ mentioned is having a free time as opposed to being busy. Now, having a free time is a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we all should try and take advantage of that. One of the things that is opposing to this is being lazy. So laziness is something we need to avoid and take advantage of our free time. The last point Prophet ﷺ mentioned is take advantage of your life before you are dead, which is the conclusion of this hadith. So may Allah make us focus on this hadith and take advantage of the 5 things mentioned by our beloved Prophet ﷺ and move away from another 5 things. This is very important for us to take advantage while we can. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun al mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين